Hi, Marco.
Oh, welcome. How are you doing?
Very well, very well. I've just been admiring your boat, and I have to admit, I've been so drawn in by all the details and the incredible craftsmanship, I didn't even notice the name of the vessel.
The name is Tapioca. The client is from Brazil, and this is the first, it's the I-66. It's the first boat we are built with Far Yacht design, and together with this Italian designer Lucio Micheletti. ICE Yachts is specialized in building custom and semi-custom boats. It's state-of-the-art, this boat, and we had the chance to put the best softwares, the best parts of the naval industry on this boat. So we are using B&G for the electronics. We are really satisfied of the results. The boat is very, very comfortable, incredibly fast, and easy to use. So this is just what we wanted to have. And inside is top of the quality for comfort and looks image.
Coming around the exterior, I noticed all the screens around. You have the Nemesis over on the mast, and then both of the helm stations featuring all the different screens, and the autopilot, and the repeaters. I just wonder, you know, with customers in this segment, I saw the mast is carbon fiber. Obviously, they're looking to get the most possible out of the sailing experience in terms of maximizing the speed, sailing as often as possible, not relying on the motor. I wonder if you know, what are the most interesting features of the B&G electronics for your owners? Very
easy to use, very friendly, and if you have to change something, you can easily enter the computer and see, change a little bit the configuration. So it's very easy to use. I'm really satisfied about the product.
Right, I know that one of the features that they offer in the latest generation of displays, the Zeus S, is that there's a race mode and a cruise mode.
Yes.
So for someone who appreciates a yacht like this, but doesn't necessarily want to actually set a start line or see all of those data, they get a much more comfortable interface that focuses on safety, situational awareness, and enjoyment, simplifying all of that data that comes from the sensors into an interface that's easy to understand and can kind of help you learn to sail.
It's very important, what you're just saying, easy to understand. Then you have a lot of data that by sailing helps you also to improve your sailing, to go faster, to go at better sailing angles. So this is important. Yes, really.
And presenting that graphically.
Yes.
I love how on the repeaters you see the shape of the hull, and then you have the indicators, so you really know right where to steer.
Yeah, it's really, I tell you, it's friendly use. We use for most of our boats now B&G, so it's absolutely, it's okay. And consider that we look at the instruments, we don't look at the budget. So really, our clients are asking us the best.
Yeah, it reminds me of the striking example how you can go and buy the exact same wind sensor in a store that is used on board the yachts for the America's Cup.
Yeah.
And it's offering that same level of precision, going through the processor, being cleaned up, giving you really stable, reliable, usable numbers, and then being translated into all those different calculations that help you optimize your trajectory, your speed, your efficiency. And all of that is then packaged into a little graphic that is as easy to understand as the video games kids are playing on their tablets. It's just about learning and confirming your instincts with the data that's provided, and being able to visualize everything everywhere. So down here you can see all that same information and keep up with the situation.
Absolutely, and really these kind of instruments help you to improve your sailing. Really small improvements, and you see with the numbers that you see there, and you can, you know, it's very fast, the system, and this helps a lot. It's in direct time, let's say like this. So it's I strongly recommend this kind of instruments. It is improving every moment, and honestly, we don't find problems on that this system. So they're really reliable.
Yeah, it's very exciting speaking to the future of the program, because now that they've come out with the application for the smartphone and the tablet, they've already got the chart plotters running, so you can have the exact same chart that you have
on the phone and on the chart, yeah.
And there are going to be more features added to that smartphone app, so it's going from friendly to friendlier, to your best friend,
Yeah,
I'm guessing.
yeah, and consider that they are very easy to learn these applications. The owners are not so young usually of these boats. I mean, the new generation, they too easily, they are much faster than my generation, but they are very easy to learn. So also my generation is able to use part of them.